How to change the subtitle language of any video in your Android or iOS devices. So hey guys, if you want to change the language of subtitles in any YouTube video for your Android or iOS devices, then this video is for you. So here currently I will be demonstrated using an Android device, but it is the exact same for an iOS device as well. So let's open any YouTube video with subtitles in different languages. So here you can see currently I have opened this particular podcast which comes with subtitles in different languages. So now let us first enable the subtitles for this video. To enable the subtitles, click onto the CC button at the top of the screen, and here you can see the message that subtitles are turned on in Hindi language. So if the video plays,
वो सब छोड़ छाड़ करके
you can see that the subtitles are currently appearing in the Hindi language. So to change it to some other language, let's say English, you need to click onto the settings gear icon at the top right of the video, and then from here simply choose the captions option. Once you'll choose this, you have the following options. The first option is to turn off captions, and then just below it will list out all the other languages in which the captions are present. So for example, let's choose it to English. So once I have chosen it to English, now let's play the video again and see if that worked.
भारत के लोगों की
And
सेवा
here you can see that now the captions are appearing in the English language. We can do it for other languages as well, which are displayed here. So for example, let's try to do it one more time. And for example, this time I'm gonna choose Russian.
आ गए भारत की आज़ादी
And here you can see that the subtitles or the captions are now appearing in Russian. So that's how easy it is to change the language of subtitles in any YouTube video for your Android or iOS devices. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, make sure to drop a like, to tell us in the comments if that worked for you or not. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.